boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song here from Wizkid and Zlatan. Let's take a look at this one. Fun to play. We have the capo set here on the first fret. All right, a couple chords to go over. So let's start with those. We have first the A minor here. So that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We also have the A sus. What you do there from the A minor, you just lift off this first fret on B string. Everything else will be the same. So there you have the A sus version of it. Then we also have the A. And what you can do there from the A sus, you just add the second fret on the B string, and there you have your A. Everything else is the same. All right. So from A minor here, you lift off the B string to get the A sus, and then you add the second fret B string to get the A. All right, we'll go on here with the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. All right, then we have the E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then we have a chord that's called a lot of things here. Simple way to name it is the E5. All right. And what you do here is it's the same as the standard E, but we want the first fret B string there added to this E. That's the only difference. So what I do here, I just place a bar from this E here. You just place a bar down the way there from the G string, and on this first fret you just lean your index finger. Instead of pointing it on the first fret G string, you just lean it down there and get this short little bar. Everything else is the same. So that is this B string first fret, that is what you want here when you play this E5 chord. So that gives us open E, second A, second D, then first G, and first B. You can avoid the last E string there if you want. What I do here when I place the bar, I add the bar there, but I just try to lean it on top of the E string so that one will get muted when I do the strumming here. All right, so that's the E5, and then finally we have a bar chord, the F here. It's played sometimes. So you place a bar there on the first fret over all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. All right, so let's take a look at this one. Starting with A minor, we have this strumming pattern that will be like this. All right, so that is down, clap, down, then down, clap, down. Down, clap, down, down, clap, down. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm here. It goes. So we are ready for this, and let's take a look at the chord progression. It will be the same through the entire song. You can say I will explain some details for you later. But anyway, let's look at the first half of it. You will play A minor, D minor, E, and the A sus. All right. So you're gonna play one string around per chord. So. A minor, D minor, E, and A sus. Then the second half will be A, then D minor, and then the E5. And then you have either F or A. Sometimes you end on F and sometimes on A. And I believe it's about you go first round with F and then second round with A and then back on F, and you alternate that with the Every second round you go and end with F, and the other round you end with the A. So anyway, the last half there was A, D minor, E5, and F or A. So like this. Alright, so there you have the song here from Wizkid. I hope you enjoyed it. Fun song to play. I like the rhythm as well. So give it a try. Until next time, play tuned.